At a press briefing held on the 9th of July 2021, the Chief Executive Member of the KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council, TITOS CHYNE, informed of the recent talks held between the state government and the CEMs of both the KHASI Hills and the JAINTIA Hills Autonomous District Councils, wherein discussions on pending issues related to the boundary between Assam and Meghalaya had taken place. TITOS CHYNE, while briefing the media, informed that at the recent meeting, the state government has requested the district councils for land, documents and other details from particular villages and locations situated along the Meghalaya border with Assam, so as to substantiate the claims of ownership of such land by the state of Meghalaya. The CEM of the KHADC added that areas like Malim, Rambrai, Nongmansam, Nongklau, Nongspung and several others have submitted the specified documents, and based on them, the two district council heads would be submitting the same to the Chief Minister of the state and also to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah during his proposed visit to the Meghalaya capital of Shillong in July this year.
Meeting the Home Minister, Secretary meeting, CM KHASI buat JAINTIA Hills. Abidai buat boundary issue. Hello Region 1 ru jauh Union Home Minister. Buat kumju ru hello ke jing keren jauh Chief Minister ng Assam. Ba don ke jing kuat ba. Ya pendik no ikut Assam. Dan nakaliang ke jong ke government dapat ini benislah. Buat kai ke ba nakaliang government ke tempat ini kalau ba. Ini ya Trilang nak bentaban. Lum ni kikat Islam dokumen dulir bedai bercakap kita dibahas tam hati border area. Te niru kempen Islam nak kalian ke joni. Hak ni sya kani ke komiti keadaan hak Islam di Mensuaru atau korban long chairman joni komiti ba pangnyang yang long dekat ni nak elum. Then ring na kuat din pat mentak ko office nak yo misplace na kuno mentang sedang ban lum dia jadi setonat ba kibabun kihima mentasi kila respon la summit ki kot isla kat tiba ngilak menyo bat ngindang lum syut bat ka jingerai ke juni mentasi kalau ba nin compile ni ki kot isla barok dibangin yo lum hak si balang ngin sesyong biang Cuma bagi summit apa si palai siaga government, bakum juru ni pengkret ya kating kok bagi summit siau Union Home Minister.